I want to show you some special wood-fire black pork found in the countryside of Korea. But Austin, from Eating What Is Given, introduced this Jiri-san hidden gem, and we went at the time of peak fall foliage. So today I'm lucky to be with Austin right here, eating what's given.
Hello everyone!
And it's peak fall right now, so the leaves are changing color and we're in Jiri-san.
This is Darkung Shikhtan since 1982. They've been doing Jiri-san Jiri-san Black Pig using wood fire, and it smells absolutely beautiful. I come here every fall season and I wanted to share it with Sharif and show him.
So I feel lucky today. We're going to show you some amazing food up in the mountains of Korea. Austin is a very special friend to me. He has opened up the world of Korean food to me and has included me on some pretty amazing food adventures around Korea. Please check out Austin's channel, Eating What Is Given, because I couldn't have made this video without him. His passion for Korean food isn't matched by many other foreigners living in Korea. He has a vast library of videos in Korea of adventures that I would love to have, and I think all food lovers would enjoy them as well. Also, thanks for any new subscribers that have come from his channel. But for now, let's check out this beautiful Hukdaeji restaurant out in the countryside.
So this place is famous. It's called Darkung Shikhtan since 1982. They've been doing wood-fired Jiri-san Hukdaeji in the middle of the mountain. This is kind of like a tradition for Courtney and I. We come every fall. But anyway, what do you think about this place so far?
This place looks epic. There's tents where everyone's eating inside. We got mist from the mountains all around us. You can smell the smoke. And,
it's a little bit rainy today. Usually, guys, the tent is not here if the weather's nice, but it's a little drizzly, so I'm really glad everybody's in an individual tent.
Well, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Like, it's a cool experience. Like,
it's kind
we've
of nice.
never had this experience here.
The banchan at this restaurant were absolutely next level banchan. All of them were so brightly colored and packed with beautiful flavors of funky kimchi. Austin will tell you the highlight of the banchan.
Probably the most delicious feature about this meal for me is they also have this 3-year-old Mugunji that they also cook over the wood fire. It's amazing.
It looks incredible.
This Mugunji is like my life. It's like...
I think that's the best thing here.
With the pork?
The pork is great, but
This is dripping fat.
you can see the black hairs on the skin.
There you go.
So,
Official.
It's official.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh, I love this place. Guys, as I'm cutting this, my mouth is just watering. Like, it's seriously just watering. And they leave the skin on, so I guess it's kind of like ogib style, but the best, you get that like really crispy skin.
Good.
I'm gonna make a bite for Sharif for his first wood fire experience. I want you to try it with a little bit of the kimchi, pork and the kimchi. That's like all you need.
Okay.
Aww.
That was so sloppy.
That's super sour.
The kimchi, yeah, the Mugunji.
I haven't had pork like this in a long time.
Wow.
I just want to try it, just
Yeah.
bare bones.
Dude, even with nothing, it's got that nice cheesiness. Like, it's really good. This is really good pork. And it's got the really slight umat, the fire taste from the smoke. It's not strong.
Not at all.
This is where it's at right here.
Just the pork and the kimchi together.
Oh my god. So good. Maybe. We're in Jeollado, so they've got kimchi. Got kimchi is going to be really good with this pork too. Yeah. So good. So good.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Okay. Anything else?
So amazing.
Amazing? Good. I can eat this with the kimchi just endlessly. This is so
Yeah, I haven't
freaking
even
delicious.
I haven't even made a wrap yet.
I'm so glad you like it, man.
It's all like uniquely flavored. Like
Yeah. It's
how it's
very
all fresh, local.
it's very unique Korean barbecue.
Even this
Very
lettuce
typical.
tastes amazing.
It's like Jolado style. Look at this pa kimchi. We should cut that one out.
Yeah. This red color is amazing.
So good.
I'm gonna go extra meaty on this one.
I'll make another wrap too. A little hungover from last night. Still, this is hitting the spot so well, especially the kimchi jjigae. But honestly, guys, like this restaurant, I would say kimchi is the star because they give you 3 kimchis. They're all stellar. Pa kimchi, which is a lot more nutty.
Jiri-san makgeolli. The bottle's beautiful.
What do you want?
roasted kimchi.
Oh, yes. I love you. This is raw. Okay. 3 years. Mugunji. Kimchi. Woo. We should ask if they sell it. I would love to bring that to my okapi.
You put that over there to the side, sir.
We are gonna eat all of this kimchi, like I promise.
Oh, we gotta try this makgeolli, brother.
The Jiri-san Dampung. Beautiful Korea.
Jiri-san.
You know Dampung?
No.
It's cool. They actually have a word for the changing colors of the leaves.
Oh.
We don't have that in English. We say,
I would say like foliage.
foliage, but nobody says that.
Foliage
So dampung.
change.
Dampung.
Jiri-san dampung.
Cheers. Kome.
Bombay.
Very interesting.
Slightly sweet, smooth.
Really smooth.
Yeah.
Really smooth.
Bush clover.
I'm not sure what bush clover is. It does taste a little flowery. Sanjay is really good too. Guys, I could eat this forever. This is like if heaven exists, I hope that this place is in heaven.
Should we cut this one
I'm glad you're feeling it, right?
Yeah.
This is the feeling I had when I first came here. I was like, this is special. I don't know what it is. It's hard to describe exactly why. Like you can't put your finger on it, but for some reason everything tastes better. All right, you're making it for me. I'll make it for you.
Yeah.
We'll do a little pass.
Let's do a small bite.
Okay.
Nothing too crazy.
I think we need a little bit of this guy.
So I got samgyeopsal, gosari, garlic. Get some kimchi with the sesame seed
Oh, he's going hard.
and a little nugget of rice because you need that little filler in there.
All right. So what I did mano, I did garlic, samjang, huktoji, mugunji, and some sanjay, and also pa kimchi. That's my secret ingredient. Cheers, meat cheers.
Dripped in my makgeolli, no big deal.
I admire your skills.
You go for the straight funk,
Yeah, dude.
orange man.
I like it funky. There's a lot of funk in this pork, actually. I just want to reiterate, Courtney and I come here every year because this might be one of my top 5 restaurants in all of Korea. I have fond memories here. I remember when Courtney and I came here for the first time, it was so different from a lot of the barbecue we've had. And it was so exciting. It was like there's a little village
And it was
cooking with wood fire.
It
Why?
was very special too because we didn't research this place. It
Yeah,
was
we
just,
stumbled upon it.
happened upon it because we were driving through Jiri-san back to Daejeon. And we were like, what is that smell? It smells so good because we smelled the wood fire.
We just got honeycomb. So this place has a bee farm.
Fresh honeycomb from their bee farm.
Oh wow,
It's in season. It's the icing on the cake. He's here.
still my piece, bro.
Dude, this is from their farm. This is probably some of the best honey. Now,
Oh wow.
you can literally taste the flowers that the bees ate.
I thought it'd be more waxy.
A little bit of wax, but not much.
Yeah.
This is just the icing on the cake, guys. This is so amazing. They just give you fresh honeycomb for dessert.
I want to like buy some of that.
Yeah, they sell
You
it.
can.
The lighter honeycomb was nice and floral, but then like the darker piece was more intense.
I don't know, it could be that I don't.
I love honey though.
Yeah. I don't have a lot of experience with like specialty honeys.
I've
So for
tried,
me,
like-
this is like some of the best honey I've ever had in my life. So what is your take on the honey?
It is definitely high quality. But I don't know, like usually there's like clover honey, there's chestnut honey, there's or orange blossom honey, and you can taste those
Yeah.
like flavor notes. This one I don't know what it was. Maybe it's just like mountain flowers or something.
Wildflowers.
Yeah. Well, Austin, thank you so much for
Yeah.
inviting me to this.
Dude, I'm happy to show you. I'm just really glad that I could see in your eyes like that you felt how special this place was. I know it was a little road trip down here.
I think next weekend I'm gonna come for more B-roll.
Yeah. That's what he did for Junju.
I can't wait to do some more food adventures.
Yeah,
with you.
dude. And we'll do more. It'll be good. Bye, guys.
Thanks everyone for watching.
Yep.
Bye bye.
See you.